So hi all, welcome to the YouTube channel Mechanical Engineers. So in our previous video, we discussed about the introduction to PNID. What is PNID and what are the critical and key components of any PNID? We also discussed some of the symbols of the valves and pumps. So today we'll be discussing more about the symbols. So let me share my screen. In our previous video, we discussed about the various symbols that are used for valves and pumps. So today we will be discussing and I will be sharing with you the symbols of the heat exchanger and vessels because these are also the critical components in any process plant. So if you could see, these are the some of the symbols which are used for the heat exchanger. So boiler, it is an heat exchanger. You can see the symbol. Then we have condenser, evaporators. Then we have cooling towers, heat exchangers. Then this is air-cooled heat exchanger. So different kind of heat exchangers are there. So depending upon the application, you can use either of these symbols. So this is the plate and type heat exchanger, spiral heat exchanger. Then we have double pipe heat exchanger, shell and tube heat exchanger, and single pass heat exchanger. So on the right side, we have these various vessels. As you can see, I will just zoom it out. These are the vertical vessels, any open tanks or covered tanks, conical tanks. Then we have these tray columns, bags. Then we have double wall tanks, internal flooded roof tank, conical roof tank, dome roof tank, onion tanks. So these are the some of the symbols of the tanks which are used in a any PNID. So now, so what are the purpose and benefits of PNID? So it is very important that we understand the purpose so that we can report the actual benefits of any PNID. The PNID is crucial for following reasons. First of all, designing and planning. So during the design phase, PNID are used to lay out the necessary component and the system for the plant. So once you are designing any process plant, then what all are the components, what are the systems that will be used in any process plant that PNID shows, give a clear visualization of all those components and systems. This includes the pipe sizes, length, and any type of what type of instrumentation are required to control the process. So this was also covered in our previous video that PNID includes pipes, the pipe sizes, pipe specification, the length, the instrumentation, and even the DCS controls. All these are covered under PNID. So this is the first reason why we use for the design and planning. Then in operation, for day-to-day operation, PNID offer the guidance on the operational aspect of the plant. They help us in understanding the process flow, control loops, and interconnectivity of the different systems. So during operation, if you face any kind of issues, any pressure rise or any temperature issue in your process, then these PNID play a very important role. You can help in under you can help you can take the reference of PNID and understand the process flow. What are the interconnectivity of the different systems? So this helps in troubleshooting of any problem that comes in the process plant. Then we have maintenance and safety. So PNID are also used, also key in maintaining the plant. This helps identify, locate equipment for the maintenance and troubleshooting. Moreover, they are essential for safety analysis as they show location of the safety valves, relief system, and safety equipment. So, so this is another benefit of PNID. If you have that PNID and you want to do any heads-up study of your process, and you want to do any kind of audit of your process in terms of safety, then it will provide a great help in all those kind of analysis. because it also shows the location of safety valves, relief system, and another safety equipment. So if there is any safety valve or a relief system, if it is required, or if it is already there, but it is not situated at the right place or a location, then PNID help us in finding the issues and recorrecting them. Then compliance and documentation. So as per the industry standard, the all the PNIDs should be stored as a historical record for the plant design and modification of the time. So it is also an industry requirement and also the compliance point of view that you should have all the PNID updated for the plant, and also what if there are any modification, then even after that PNID, updated PNID should be available in your records. So, so PNID and process flow diagram. So many a times people get confused between the PNID and the process flow diagram. So here I've covered a brief, differentiation between both of these. So if we see this table, then PNID it is an it provides a comprehensive detail, and PFD it shows the less detail. Then PNID displays all the crucial equipment, piping information, instrumentation details, and the pipe routing state. However, PFD gives overall view of the entire chemical process. So it is less detailed. As you can see, this is giving a details of the piping, instrumentation, controls, but this is only giving an overview. Then it provides a guidance for the engineers, and PFD is used for suitable for study purpose among the students. So it is only for the study purpose, but this is PNID is for engineers. So, but there are some similarities also. So they are the chemical and they are used in both the chemical and process drawing, the chemical plants, and they are the chemical and process drawing used in any engineering field. They provide sufficient details required during the various chemical and process stages, and both provide indication of the flow of the material. And the symbol represent the equipment in both of them. So basically, these are some of the similarities between the PNID and process flow diagram. So thank you for watching my video. In our next video, we shall be covering more, and keep watching. Stay tuned for the new updates. Thank you.